Space appears dark to us on Earth because it is a vacuum, meaning there is no air or other particles to scatter or reflect light. On Earth, we are used to seeing objects because they reflect light from the sun or other light sources into our eyes. However, in space, there is no atmosphere or other objects to scatter or reflect light, so when we look out into space, we see only darkness. Furthermore, even though the sun is a bright source of light, its light is only able to travel a certain distance before it becomes too dispersed to be seen by the human eye. This distance is known as the cosmic horizon, and it limits how far we can see into space. Beyond the cosmic horizon, there may be stars and other sources of light, but we cannot see them because their light has not yet reached us. So, while the sun is indeed in space, it is not enough to light up the entire expanse of the universe. In addition to the lack of atmosphere and the cosmic horizon, another reason why space appears dark is because of the phenomenon known as dark matter. Dark matter is a type of matter that does not emit, absorb, or reflect any electromagnetic radiation, including light. It is estimated that dark matter makes up about 85% of the matter in the universe, and its presence contributes to the overall darkness of space. However, it's important to note that not all of space is completely dark. There are areas of space that are illuminated by light from stars, galaxies, and other celestial objects. Additionally, there are a number of telescopes and instruments that are designed to detect and measure different types of electromagnetic radiation, including light, radio waves, and X-rays, that provide us with images and data from across the universe. So, while space may appear dark to us from our vantage point on Earth, it is a vast and complex environment that is full of fascinating phenomena and objects, from distant stars and galaxies to black holes and pulsars. Another reason why space appears dark is due to the expansion of the universe. As the universe expands, the light emitted by distant objects is stretched out and its wavelength increases, causing the light to become more red in color. This effect is known as redshift, and it can cause the light from distant objects to become so redshifted that it falls outside the visible range of light that the human eye can detect. As a result, some areas of space that may contain many galaxies and other bright objects appear dark to us because the light emitted by these objects has been redshifted beyond the visible range. It's also worth noting that our perception of space is limited by our human senses and the technology we use to observe it. For example, while we can see a limited range of electromagnetic radiation with our eyes, other types of radiation, such as X-rays and gamma rays, require specialized instruments to detect. Additionally, some phenomena in space, such as black holes and dark matter, are difficult to observe directly and require sophisticated instruments and techniques to study. Overall, while space may appear dark to us from our perspective on Earth, it is a fascinating and complex environment that is full of mysteries waiting to be explored and understood.